If you want to try to unscrew a doorknob, because
I'm laughing at Blizzard. Oof. Is she woodworking this morning?
Because we're the Phillipses, and this is what we do.
Ava's locked herself in her room. We break doorknobs?
Yeah, we locked ourselves in the room.
I asked her to stop playing the computer game. She was still playing, so I said no computers today. So she locked herself in her room, so Skip tried to get it open. I think together they broke the doorknob.
Counterclockwise to unscrew them, clockwise to screw them.
I don't have a clock in.
Well, this is why it pays to learn how a clock works. So when you lock yourself in your room and your dad gives you a screwdriver, you know which way is clockwise.
Spin it like it's going towards the chimney, towards the bricks.
Yeah, I've been doing that, but
Are they coming out?
dang it.
You know he's gonna fight you.
Yeah, it's fighting me. I bet you're looking. Screw is now protruding. This knob does not want to work.
You are in a Florica now, and it's on lockdown. The sign here says your room's on lockdown.
It is on lockdown. Very locked down.
Are you scared?
No, you're scared.
I'm not scared. Just pinch the bit and twist it.
It doesn't work like that.
Your dad's leaving. I'll make you a sandwich.
Oh yeah.
No, your dad. I'm making your dad a sandwich. We can get tortillas under there. Skip's going to get her a better screwdriver bit. We can't get the whole screwdriver through, so we're just sending through a little bit.
How are you doing? You hold the rubbery part that says Ryobi with one hand
Ryobi?
and spin the back of it, Ryobi.
She's gonna learn not to lock her door.
In this environment, your spirit wants to learn. You're like, oh yeah, I'd like to learn how to take doorknobs apart.
Something just fell.
Did you get one out?
I got both of them.
Awesome.
Now what do we do? Don't you have a meeting to go to?
Yeah.
Well, let's let her figure it out.
Okay.
So you're just gonna leave me in here?
There you go.
Come on out.
I'm sure I want to. That was quite enjoyable. I'm fairly sure it's the door, because this has happened with 2 different doorknobs.
No, it's you. It's you. It's not the door. It's us.
You locked it and you weren't supposed to.
Yeah.
And we have a family.
That's my fault. We have a broken window too. No, it's not. I didn't do the broken window.
I left, came home, y'all broke it up.
I don't mind it. We could just leave it here.
You have to whisk it
That's the wrong
and add some.
That's the wrong pan.
Add some milk.
You have your camera set on the wrong pan. Now we've caught it on camera.
I'm not a morning person either. Mom, that's the wrong pan. Mom, that's the wrong pan.
I noticed it for a bit, and then you were all, you just seemed so into what you were doing. So I'm like, is that the right pan? Or?
You thought it was you.
I'm like, I don't see any egg in that pan. But you seemed really into it, so I was gonna go with that. So yeah, pan. That's the right pan.
Sure, Mom.
We'll go with that.
You should be thankful you don't have a competent mom.
Yeah, I should.
Because you would never get to make her look like a fool.
Exactly.